Welcome to the channel. This is a quick one on how to reset the service light. This is a 2011 Mercedes Vito, but the Vito, Viano, the W639 are all the same. First thing we need to do is ignition onto position 2, and then we'll navigate to where the mileage is. Keep pressing the left button on the left of the steering wheel. And there's the mileage, and now we go up till we see the service warning, and then we press this button for about 10 seconds until it beeps. Let go of that. Then we press this button here. That gives us all this information. And then again use the up button until we get to the service. There's our service. Then when we get to this, we press this once. Now we've got complete service, so we select that with the up button. And now on the right hand side we need to select our oil, which for me is the 228. We confirm that with the up button. And now we need to press this button again. Service confirmed. And that's the service reset. We can check this by turning it on. And there's our service reset. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.